So I'm on a roof in Stratford, Connecticut. This roof is an old built-up roof. You can see this is what an old built-up roof looks like. Let me show you. Old built-up roof. It has these tar. You can see layers of tar and paper, but I don't want to explain this now. But you can see there's some problems with the roof. It's not lying flat. It makes creases like this. That's a problem. It was not done right, and you can see where it breaks like this. It breaks. But anyway, the big problem is the roof is still holding water, and we're going to do a repair on a roof that's not very good. And the repair is going to be on the edge because water spills over to this edge into the gutter. But what happens is, when that happens, where the metal is separating from the roof, and that's where the water leaks. Look at the joint here. See the joint there? And the joint here where the metal separated. You see that? That's causing a leak. We're going to make a transition with rubber from here to there, so the roof will be then all sealed, and there would be, this metal would not be like loose like this. That's what we're going to do now. So let me explain something. The reason why we remove it, because what other people done doesn't mean it's always the right thing. So they use tar and paper in this case, and the paper is cracking. It doesn't help. That's why we're redoing it. Now, there are other methods how to do this, but let me explain to you something. The most important part is, when you do a rubber attachment to an old built-up roof, you cannot just torch it to whatever you have. There's paint. You see the silver coating? This is silver coating on here. We have to remove the silver coating. You cannot just put anything on paint. Paint will come loose. And at the same time as also we make a transition from here to there, we need to have clean rubber or material where we can work to. So that's what the whole purpose of this cleaning is. Drip edge cleaned out. It's a nasty job. It's very old, and it's not the nicest, cleanest jobs there. But the principle stays the same. If you're going to do a fix, a repair, this will last, by the way. This is not the best, but it will last. And here's what we do. We cut a modified bitumen torch down membrane. In this case, we cut it 9 inches. See here? So we cut it 9 inches, and we install it over the metal edging, and like the metal is 4.5 inches, and then we go 4.5 inches on the roof itself. Now the reason, let me show you. Whenever you install a modified torch down membrane, you always want to use an adhesive to tie it to the old built-up roof. This is an old built-up roof, and you cannot torch to this roof. It will come loose, and that's what happened all over this roof. They try to torch the modified to this, and it pops loose. So we use an adhesive Karnak. There it is. See the Karnak? And it says there, for professional use only. All right, so we smear the Karnak. Normally I would smear it also on a drip edge here, but in this case I'm using a special torch down that melts so good that it sticks to the metal. But normally I would put the Karnak on both sides and roll it over, but you have to burn the plastic down. So I'm burning the plastic. Melting the other side, and I'm doing camera work, and I'm doing the okay, so the other side is mounted. You can see there? Let me see if I can get the camera to show there, and it sticks to the, so then your pipe pressure See there? I apply pressure to this side and this side. And that's how you make the transition. The entire transition is like that. And it works fantastic. I don't do it with one hand normally, but I just want to show you. So I do this and make sure this, my trowel is not hot now, but okay, so I'm overheating things here, but you get the idea. And that's what we do. We did the whole transition like this, and everywhere. It's now solid, and we fix this so my pond is not gonna leak anymore underneath. And that's what we do. That's how you fix a roof, an old built-up roof where the edging is leaking so bad, or you want to make any repairs. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm the flat roof doctor. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. Blah, blah, blah. Please subscribe and make my day, please. Or thumbs up or whatever they do on YouTube. I would hope you help me, and thank you for watching.